Hi everyone, Crazy 8-Bit Stew here. I've been working on this my Lifan King 125. She's pretty beat up, cosmetically and electrically. I had her a couple of months ago, about 9 months ago I think it was, and when the owner had it last, it's been sat still for quite a while. I think it was 2 years he had it, and he took it to a mechanic, and the mechanic made a big complete cock up on the electrics, so she wouldn't run, not even any lights or anything. So I had my best mate, my brother James CLS on YouTube, who's a huge help in getting this back up and running. We put a voltmeter to it all. Eventually there was nothing, completely nothing, and then he did some more volt testing, and then we had the live come on back all of a sudden, and the earth. It would have helped her if we had the tank back on, because it's got a digital readout, which then would have completed the circuit, and then we had light, a neutral light, and then all of a sudden she started firing up, which is a good news because she was a non-runner. Cosmetically, as I said earlier, she was very beat up. I got to get the seats reupholstered. There's a dent in the tank from either a smash or some damage. That's about it really. I wanted to do this video when I first had it because she was in a really bad condition than what she is now. Today I've drained the radiator, just to give it a flush, just to clear it out, ready for the coolant and the water, the distilled water when it's time to go and get it MOT'd. There's quite a lot of rust on there, but I've polished her up with some of the old Autosol metal polish. Yeah, she's come a long way from what she was. But we've got to get the rear end sorted out because, again, it's electrically. We've got indicators on the left hand side that are working, but I got to install a new relay because the other one went bust. But we've got no indicators on the right hand side of the bike at all. So hopefully I'll give you an update video soon with the lights and it's running in a bit earlier on in the day, because I'm currently about, I don't know, nearly 8 o'clock at night, and I don't want to wait to disturb the neighbours because they got kids. Until the next one.